Hi guys, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. Today my agenda is very simple. I already told in the shorts that today I'm not here to teach any specific topic, just to resolve the doubts. So one of the user asked me that I have exported the pipe from Jenkins. It have 200 line with a lot of information and I want to change only cloud path without changing other existing configuration. So how to do this? I can go and directly edit the changes, but that not good idea because I have 20 Jenkins with different configuration. Okay. So this is his doubt and he asked me to help in this doubt to clear his doubt. So I said, okay, why not? So first thing here, I have written the answer for it. I'll share this file with him also, and I try to today I upload this uh, what we can say document in the description itself. See, first thing is that if you have 200 lines of pipeline, so to go with manual changes and do all the things, better it to automate. So instead of editing here, that only I write, instead of editing manually, you can write a small script that will be shell script or Python or Ansible. So it's depend upon your skills, like which thing you have knowledge, shell, Python or Ansible. Like see, example, set command you all people know in Linux, correct? If you don't know, please do comment. I'll tell this also. So in Linux, so what you have to do by using the set command, you just have to automate and you have to write one config.xml file. For what you have to do, like set hyphen I s and whatever the old thing is there, that you have to write, and cloud, like whatever the cloud AWS Azure and that path pipe symbol you have to write, and then again new things and cloud and that path and pipe. This G is most important, and you have to close your single inverted comma config.xml or whatever the file name you want to give, that you can give. So this will only replace the cloud path, leaving the other 200 lines untouched. So that was his questions. Key, how can I do change the lines only and I don't want to touch the cloud. So this command will help you. Okay. So and next thing, for multiple Jenkins server, you can run the script in a loop or with Ansible playbook so that the same changes is applied everywhere. See, if you are using multiple Jenkins, so you can, this is for simple thing, okay? But if you are using multiple Jenkins, so at that time, like you know the concept of playbook, okay? Or if you don't know, tell me, I'll soon, like I'm going to start Ansible series also. So playbook is nothing but it's a kind of simple text where we used to write the command what we want to do. Like if you have to install a HTTP server, so like instead of going and writing a manual thing like yum install or apt install HTTPD, then again do configuration, you have just write a simple playbook, so that will help. So in the same way, here what I have written, for multiple Jenkins server, you can run the script in a loop or with the Ansible playbook so that the same changes is applied everywhere. Jenkins Job or DSL pipeline as a code. So Jenkins Job, you all know, if you are asking the question of a pipeline. So I'm like hoping that you understand like pipeline as a code. So instead of handling huge config.xml files, migrate jobs to Jenkins Job, like by using DSL plugin or Jenkins file. So you all know that DSL plugin is nothing but it's a kind of Jenkins file. Like how we have a playbook for Ansible, in the same way Jenkins file is there. So instead of handling that config and making the changes, you can migrate jobs to the Jenkins Job DSL. So with this approach, configuration lives in Git only, and you can update the cloud path once the code in done, and then you can apply to all the Jenkins server consistently. Configuration management tool you can do best practices. Okay, and configuration management tool is nothing but like what I know and what I use in my organization, that is Ansible. So use Ansible, yeah, Ansible or Terraform. But Terraform, like that is main motive for infrastructure creation. For configuration management, we do use Ansible. For Jenkins, we are Jenkins provider. Jenkins provider is there to manage Jenkins job. Store the cloud path as a variable, and when you need to update it, just change the variable and re-apply. So that is the best thing. Okay. And like this, avoid manual XML. Like that was your doubt, correct? Yeah, I don't want manual intervention. So that will do. Okay. So I hope we cleared your doubt. If again you didn't get your doubt didn't get clear, do comment in the comment box. I'll try to resolve it. And if again it will not happen, so I'll connect with you in Zoom and I'll try to help it. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a nice day. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so do subscribe it.